This is the circuit breaker, and it contains of few components. The first one is the power pack, and this one is the LoRaWAN module, communication module, and these are the circuit breakers, and these are all interconnected together, and and all together they are connected. This is the power pack for the communication module. Actually, this is the LoRaWAN antenna. It goes here. So the antenna is connected to the LoRaWAN module. So once we configure all these together, so it will be a one single set. So this LoRaWAN module will recognize each and every circuit breaker, and separately each circuit breaker will have a unique address, so that we could be controlled by the platform. So we could switch it off and also switch it on using the platform. This using the platform, this all can be controlled, and it has to be a single set because has to be configured all together with the communication module. Here in the office building, we have actually installed the circuit breakers with the communication module. This is the real time. Here it works.